现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo, it's time for Practical Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling。今天呢，我们要持续来教浪费这个词啊。How do you say to waste？
浪费。
浪费。现在手机一点点坏掉啊，要修好麻烦，
就要买
反正有新手机出来就买了 right? A lot of people waste so much money in buying new cell phones. And let's say, you have a little problem with it. Maybe a cracked, case. And then they're like, you know what? There's a new model out. I want to go buy another one. And that is so wasteful. So let's kind of put you in this situation 好了哈。我们来鼓励大家手机坏了先去
节省用
修理一下嘛， 对不对？然后看多少钱再来决定要不要换。All right, 我的手机故障了 My cell phone is broken.
我嘅手機壞掉了。
我嘅手機壞掉了，壞掉了就是壞掉了，故障了 Right, that means it's broken. The cell phone 手機叫做
手機
對，沒有手機就過不了一天。
好可憐哦。
So a lot of people just go buy a new one, right? So maybe someone would say 買一隻新的啊 just go buy a new one.
買一支新機啊，
買一支新機啊，新機啊就是新的機子嗎？一支就是一支的意思。Okay, 一支 that means one, that's the unit. 新機啊 okay.
新的啊。
對，我們剛剛講手機嘛，是手機然後是新機是新的意思。All right, but that's too wasteful, right? Let's go have it repaired first. 這樣太浪費了，先送去修理吧。
哎喲，太浪費了。
按用太浪費了，
先送去賬號嘞，
先送去賬號嘞。先送去修理吧，是這個意思嗎？先 that means to do that first. 送去送去就是
送去，
然後修理叫做
賬。
要把它埋葬起來了。
沒有啦，
埋葬之前呢，要把它修一下。對對，葬 that means to fix something. Oh, now I know. I just learned this today. 好，我們來複習幾個單字咯。
OK，
包括我們的手機，
手機
and if it's broken 就叫故障。
壞掉。
Okay, that means broken. Okay, and then finally 去修理，修理一個字而已，對不對？
葬
that means to fix it. Okay, 葬 And this whole month, it's all about the phrase wasting, right? To waste. 浪費
浪費
All right? 然後希望大家手機可以用的 long time, 不要 long 費。All right. That's today's Practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
漢字說張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.